people. Yeah, people who are working in certain companies, they might be utilizing certain component of the particular services we have seen. So talk to them, understand what they are doing, share your ideas as well, and learn more things. Yeah. Another thing is, a lot of people look for opportunities to join certain companies. These meetups are also a good opportunity for you to share what you know, that yeah, there is a opening in another company. You can share that to the other people as well. Yeah. So that way you will build your network, and you can together you can achieve the success. Okay. So these are few of the benefits you will see. Another example I want to quote Vipul. Please Vipul. So Vipul is he just passed out last year from the engineering college, but he has started his community journey almost 3 years back when he was in second year, third years. Yeah, and he started contributing to this community learning, participated as a participant, yeah, learn new things, and he developed his skill. Yeah, and I would say he is a prime example of what community can do. He's now working in Entangle, and he is supporting people like you to learn new things, upskill, and then get placed. Yeah, so he's one of the prime example. Yeah, clap for this. Yeah, please, you want to share, Vipul? Yeah.
Hello guys. So myself Vipul, working in Entangles from last 11 months. It's been a great journey for me, being a fresher and working as an SRE. So people ask me a lot, how do you get into SRE or DevOps field? Because people are facing much issue in getting into this position, because people find कि position ही नहीं मिलती है मेरे को cloud में, DevOps में. So the one thing that I feel is work on ourselves. मतलब खुद पे ही काम करो. You know better things than others.
Yeah.
कि मेरा weakness क्या है, like what I need to improve. And by joining Entangles, I had मतलब I know 10% of DevOps at the time of joining, I would say, but after joining, I am like, yeah, I'm an expert in that. Being a fresher, I feel I had learned something, many good things here. Apart from that, if you want to like get placed as a what we call a fresher, so in first 6 months I didn't get a single job.
Yeah.
That is a part of a life, and everyone should face it, because that will tell you the real struggle that we face. But after that, in a single month, I got around 11 or 12 offers because I work on myself. So that's what I need to say to all the freshers that we have in here.
Yeah.
Yeah, thank you guys.